thought you knew that I did this. You can have him, but he licked it. Banana, then I split it. Talented and gifted. I guess the table shifted. Like a whole brand new bitch. Bussin'. Bitch, I'm bussin'. I feel like a whole.
About to be running late for work, but I had to give y'all this OOTD real quick. So we have Shein, I think, or Rose Gal. Reb Dolls for show. Use code TNG at 20. And then Fashion Nova shoes. And I didn't know what shoes I wanted to put on. I changed my outfit like 3 times this morning, 3 or 4 times, because I couldn't get what I wanted. I'm trying to practice some still me but teacher styled outfits because we go back in the building after winter break. So she's practicing. But anyway, let me go get to work. Last day, winter break, winter break, winter break. All right, let me hurry up. I feel kind of cute and super comfy. Yeah. Good morning. She is working on things. She's working on things. Y'all see flyers. She's working on things coming soon. Are y'all gonna put the kids? I'm really nervous about this, y'all. Like, I'm excited because like I want to do it, but then I'm also nervous because I've never done it, and I want people to feel like, you know, they got their money's worth, and I just want to provide all the information. So I'm nervous to drop these shits, but I do. The anxiety, and all I'm doing is posting a flyer. My nerves.
There's a lot on your skin, painted gold on your feet. If you're gonna lean into me, make sure you feel the heat. You can take what you want, but when you take it from me, I'll make sure.
Oh wow. So yeah, no, not for school. Definitely not. Ooh, child. Deshaun, if you're done with your lunch, go put your stuff up and wipe your desk down. Kendrick, if you're done, throw your stuff away, wipe your desk down. Y'all be pushing it. As I pack up my belongings, my body is filled with joy because it's winter break. I mean, I gotta go in the building tomorrow to help with some stuff, but knowing Miss Scott, she gonna, you know, give us something we can finish pretty quickly. And then she's free for 2 whole weeks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, I don't think y'all understand. I don't think y'all understand how excited I am for winter break. I have so many things, content that I want to do. I gotta stay motivated because I'm all hype about it. I'm all hype about the content that I plan to create, but knowing me, when I get in the actual zone to create it, I'm gonna get overwhelmed because I overthink everything. So I just need to keep this high energy that I have right now about it all, so it all comes out as planned. And you know, should get a little all of that. So it's time to go. I'm ready for dismissal. Oh my God, where's my mask? Slap this mug on real quick and get down here to dismissal so we can get dismissed. Everybody go home. It's time to go home. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah. Hello.
It's the brother and sister.
Know what the on December 17, 2020. Only a week and a couple days away from the end of the year. Did you do anything this year? that you stand on, that you put your name on? Did you do something worth representing? You feel me? They got me on the blog. Now I'm talking that.
Got me going the wrong way.
You yourself doing that. See that? She didn't stand on that, ladies and gentlemen. She should have went the wrong way, and she should have owned that.
Where am I going?
But she didn't. I'm owning it as a passenger, because what can I do? Ride. So what I'm gonna do? Ride with me. You tell her to keep her eyes on the road. Yeah. Talk to me. Big Had To coming soon. You already know what's going on. We right back. Same day. Different we talking about. Last video I asked you, what did you do this year that you would stand on? And I hope you seriously, my fault, damn, drop the phone. Seriously, did you seriously think about what you did? I gotta start over, this isn't it. We're right back like we never left, honestly, because we didn't. We're still here. So in the last video I asked you, what did you do this year that you feel good about, that you're representing, that you're standing on, that you're owning? And I wanna know what you're gonna do next year to be better, to do more, to give more, to complain less, to have more energy, to do more work.
Are you okay?
I just wanna know. It's the season of giving. What are you gonna do? These people have their hands out, they need things. I need things.
I need things.
My Cash App is. No, we all need things. We'll get to that later. It'll be in the description below. You can click that. And you can PayPal me, and also it'll be all my electronic payment links. Okay, whip it then. Kill us all. Hello. You all, stay tuned.
Are you trying to get curbside service? That's what's happening?
No, I don't know if he's here yet. I don't want to just stand in there and look like table for one.
Y'all merciful.
Fuck, I look like table for one, like I'm lonely as I don't have friends.
Wow.
I have an extensive friend list.
Okay.
And all of them recognize me as a true player.
Say that.
Hello. Let's go. You in there?
Hey, you better watch your whole fight.
I'm finna swoop right up to the front door too, right now. Give me 30 seconds. I'll be there. Counting down. You'll see me hop out. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out.
What's happening?
Chauffeur style.
Oh, you wait.
You got to. Okay.
Why are you waiting?
Yeah, I'm gonna hop out chauffeur style. You'll see.
Chauffeur style, because now I'm a chauffeur. All right. Heard you.
Hold on. Son, you said you was in the front. Now you giving me extra directions. That don't even. I don't understand.
What?
Okay, look. Did you see that Monte Carlo? You see that Monte Carlo?
What it do, fool? Always. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Hi. And y'all come the hell on. Where y'all at? Yes,
I'm
big
waiting
worm.
on you. You don't have me waiting on no damn corner like no whore. You get out here at the same time I'm out here.
You walk your pretty self across the street, darling.
Yeah.
Darling.
Gonna cost you extra. We'll talk about it, my boy.
Bro, y'all ugly. Y'all ugly as hell.
Fuck with me, Tan. I love you. I'll kiss you through the mask. I don't know if that's more sanitary or less sanitary, or did we social distance? You know what?
Definitely
I'm
none of
distance
that.
myself from the
Bye,
conversation.
fool. Thank you.
Be safe.
Love you. You be safe.
I'm missing a phone.
Because you have 3.
Ice cold in this bitch. Ice cold in this bitch.